No, I'm not gonna do this in fucking ASMR. Hey guys, or true believers and newcomers alike. Content creator, list-TheRekounasShow here. And since my page on Facebook, well, technically it was Kippy's page before he handed it off to me, frig. Yeah, since that page hit 10k likes, I decided to do something for everyone. A Spider-Man costume tier list. Anyways, let's get started. So, for this first one, $20.99. I love this one. I think it looks cool, even with the PS1/N64's low poly. That gets already locked and loaded. This one goes in Alroy, you boy die, because I mean, Spidey does not look fresh as hell. There's no extra powers with it. It's just bad. Ben Reilly, although it is fresh as hell, it's just basically the same as the normal costume. So, he goes, could be useful here. This one, infinite webbing, which is useful, but your trap webbing is, of course, ineffective against symbiotes and lizard men, and you'll be dealing with those at the latter half of the game. So, already locked and loaded. This guy's invincible. He does double damage, and he has infinite webbing. So he outclasses Symbiote Spider-Man in every way, except for maybe looks. I still think Symbiote looks fresh as hell, and you know he's already at full health, because he can't technically die, unless he falls off the ledge into the abyss, or gets caught by the monster cock. This one could be useful here. It's the basic suit. It looks fresh as hell. It's timeless. And I don't know why movie producers feel the need to friggin' change it every time. Can't we just get the classic suit? Like, I mean, come on. Spidey armor, not technically a selectable suit, already at full health. No. Even though you haven't used it much before, it's always useful here. Always. Plus, it looks fresh as hell. Even though our boy looks fresh as hell, only 2 web cartridges, but since he does look fresh, I'd put it a tier above Bagman. Peter Parker, again, looking fresh as hell in that jacket, even though his face looks like it just got hit with an iron. Still pretty fresh. This one could be useful here, because even though fresh as hell, same as the other 2 on that. Ooh, this one's a little bit debatable, as like it. Even though this doesn't work on bosses or anything, it's already at full health. Enemies can't hurt you if they can't see you, right? And plus, freshest looking costume from a pretty shitty cartoon, not gonna lie. I might do this for Spider-Man 2 as well. Tell me what you think in the comments. Subscribe if you want to, and if you don't, good for you.